guys, this is just a quick video of my Cricut expression and how to use it and how to remove cartridges and put new cartridges in safely. So obviously it's for beginners and people that are just starting out with the Cricut expression. Okay, so here's a Cricut expression. At the moment it's not even plugged in, so hang on a sec. It's a good start, isn't it? Right, I've just plugged in my machine. Okay, let's see, switch it on. Yeah, your screen there. Basically, to remove any cartridge, just make sure, always switch your machine off first. So make sure there's nothing on the dial. You should hear a clicking sound and all the lights will go off. Okay, and then it is safe to remove your cartridge from your Cricut. So we remove that and we remove the overlay. Okay, and then we put, hang on, sorry, should have been a bit more prepared. Yeah, I can't get my Cricut cartridge out because it's brand new. Hang on 2 seconds. Oh, there goes my phone, brilliant. Oh, right, anyway, sorry about that. Brand new cartridges will always come with the bottom part sealed, so obviously we remove that first. Now if I could hold my phone and show you at the same time, I would. Oh, there we go. Nails come in useful for something, even if they are fake. Right, remove your protective cover. Like I say, that's how you know if they're brand new. It'll come covered with that. Put that in my bin, and then you're safe to go ahead and pop your cartridge in. Make sure it's pushed down properly, and then go ahead and put the matching overlay on, and that should just lie flat. And then once that's on and your Cricut cartridge is in properly, you're safe to turn on. So we switch on, you'll hear it fire itself up, the bars will start rolling, and once they stop and it beeps at you, your screen will come on and that'll tell you that it's ready, and it'll tell you what cartridge you've got in, and hit load paper to begin. Now, I was just going to show you how to put in and remove a cartridge, but I'll very quickly explain to you, if you are completely new at this, I'd probably have to show you rather than tell you, but I'm trying to be helpful and I'm probably just pickling your heads even more. But anyway, once your Cricut is up and ready and you've got your paper or cardstock laid out onto your Cricut cutting mat, it's got little arrows that show you which way it goes, and you just basically put it in like that and hit your load mat button. Okay, that'll then take, oh, that didn't work. That'll then take your mat in, and once it makes that sound, you're then ready to go ahead, type out what image you want. It'll then come up on the screen, so I'll just do a very, very quick example. I've not even used this cartridge myself yet, but we'll just press that one anyway. And it'll come up on screen to make sure you've picked the correct image, and then it tells you what speed you've got it at, what pressure. Now, them two, I find it's all about trial and error, to be honest. I mean, I find that the best speed for the card I use quite thick card, so I don't have it all the way to the top for the speed, and I don't quite have it all the way up for pressure, even though it's quite a thick card. These Cricut machines do cut quite deep, believe it or not. And then here it tells you what size it's going to cut at. So to change everything, it's pretty simple, it's self-explanatory really. You've got your speed dial there, so you can take it up to maximum or back down to where I had it high, or you can move it right down to low. Again, same with the pressure, you can put it right up or down below. And then over on this side, if you look on the screen, as I move the wheel down, it'll take you down a quarter at a time as to how big you want it. And then when you find what size you want, you just go ahead and hit cut, that'll whiz away, it'll do its own little thing, and when it's done it'll stop. The pin up here will stop. If it's cut an image there, it'll stop down here, and then when it's stopped you go back to your thing, your mat, and it's unload mat, and it'll spit that back out at you, and away you go. You take your card off, and either, if the pressure's at the right what's the word I'm looking for? No, I don't know. If the pressure's at the right pressure that it should be at, then your images should stick to that, and then you go ahead and use a spatula and take it off and whatnot. Like I say, when you finish with that, you can leave whatever you've got on the screen there. Just make sure you switch it off. You don't have to do anything else, just switch it off, and that's it. I hope you found it a little bit helpful. Like I say, if you're a complete novice at it, you're probably best being shown exactly what to do. But I know when I was starting out with the Cricut expression, I found it quite hard to find videos explaining what to do, so that's what I'm basically trying to do. But anyway, I'm going to go and give my Creator Critter 2 cartridge a go, so I will be back with more videos very shortly. You'll be fed up of me soon. Thanks for watching, bye!